Located right in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg Airport is the country's only international airport. Although it might seem a smaller airport at first sight, it impresses through its outstanding performance.
Luxembourg Airport is a major gateway for leisure and business traffic. We're currently serving more than 110 destinations. Luxembourg Airport is one of the major cargo hubs in Europe and a key business enabler for the economy in Luxembourg and the greater region.
Lux Airport is the managing company behind Luxembourg Airport. Founded in 2001, the strategic priorities of the national airport operator are the airport's growth, the increase of destinations served, the broadening of service offerings, the real estate development on site, and, of course, the day-to-day management of this significant airport. In 2021, Lux Airport faced its most exceptional project so far. After more than 30 years, the airport's sole runway needed a total refurbishment, an efficient, safe and sustainable runway renewal, including full pavement rebuild, new drainage, reinforcement of the strip, replacement of all signs, and the installation of a state-of-the-art LED-based light system, saving energy and reducing the CO2 emission of the airport.
We have to do a full new runway on top of the old runway. And we have to do it while keeping the runway operational.
And hence we had to find solutions together with our partners to make this possible to keep operations running.
The main challenge, however, consists in the unique approach of this construction project. A first step was to establish a new security checkpoint to provide an efficient access to the construction site.
The normal access gates would not work here because the number of trucks and people, and what is one of the difficulties is the screening of the supplies. We had to check with the local authorities to adopt our screening procedures in order that we don't have to escort a huge number of trucks. And on the other side, we cannot inspect some supplies like the hot bitumen. So we had to analyze the whole process of producing the bitumen, the transport process, alternative security measures in place in order to guarantee the level of security and to reduce the number of people which are present on site.
The road is clear for a large workforce formed by the Lux Airport team and a number of well-experienced contractors from Luxembourg, France and Belgium, grouped in the Somo-Findel Airport Consortium. Due to the narrow time frame of only 7 hours per night, a special procedure was needed.
What we do is we use the old runway and build a new runway on top of it, layer by layer by layer. Every night a new bit and connect it to the old runway. We do the same with the drainage, with all the electrical systems and the stabilization of the strip and the taxiways.
The runway's width is reduced from 60 to 45 meters, with 7.5 meters shoulders on each side, and all lighting is replaced by efficient LEDs.
So we do all that step by step in order to have an operational runway in the morning and have a full and efficient work site at night.
This exceptional, unprecedented scenario required precise planning, perfect organization, diligence, promptness, and teamwork from everyone.
You need to coordinate all the impacts of the works, make the daily meeting, the preparation, to discuss all the coordination for the future works to plan.
At night, we have 300 people working on many different work sites. They need to know exactly what to do. But in order to make that happen, we must make sure that during the daytime, all the preparations are done. All the plans are made, all the alignment is done, and everyone knows what to do.
But what would happen if something did not go as planned?
There is always a risk that during the night in the works, a machine breaks down, or something happens which we did not plan for. So in order to mitigate those risks, we have an enormous amount of fallback procedures. If a machine breaks down, we have a gigantic crane which can lift every machine up and take it away immediately. We have a full team of engineers present that can solve any difficult problem. And if things are really getting problematic, we stop the works, put everything back as it was, and in the morning we work on the solution of the problem.
Flawless communication is needed to enable this level of reactivity.
My role on this project is to ensure the smooth running of the operation at the airport. I'm the principal contact for the constructors, the engineers, the airlines.
Our airport duty manager is closely monitoring the preparation meetings, but also monitoring the works at night to ensure reopening of a fully compliant runway at 6 o'clock.
As dawn breaks and the airport's opening hour approaches, everything is put back in place. A fully functional runway must be ready again, and no material can be left behind. A thorough inspection concludes a night's work.
A tight schedule of the inspection was important, and a good collaboration between all the entities. If we had a technical problem with the runway, it would have been a big impact for everyone on the airport.
During daytime, the works continue in the offices, as well as in the areas surrounding the runway. But none of the flights notice this incredible logistical feat at night. All equipment and materials remain on site during the work season to minimize the transport at night. This saves time, money, and resources.
When we planned the runway project, we knew that we had to remove some ground soil. It's a nonsense to move this good soil until a deponia using many trucks. So we found an agreement to let this non-polluted soil here. By using local seeds, we create an optimal biotop.
The biggest challenge in this project is the fact that it is keeping you up day and night. At the start of the project, the scope and schedule seems challenging, but the trick is that you're not alone. With the right team, it works.
Our project has become a reference project, and many airports and technical people have been visiting us to see how we are doing this and what the key to the success is.
Take a part of a project like this, it's probably only once in a career.
We had a massive planning before we started and a well-experienced teams of experts. And now, the runway is a new runway at Luxembourg Airport, safe and operational.
Together with our partners, we found a way to make things possible. Alone is nothing, but together is all it needs.
After 2 years of work, 1,500 LED lights illuminate the new runway that stretches on 4,000 meters. Along with the contemporary infrastructures and efficient facilities, it makes Luxembourg Airport a state-of-the-art airport, perfectly prepared for the future. Lux Airport greatly appreciates the passion, precision, and innovative solutions provided by everyone involved. We would also like to give a special thank you to the teams on the field for all their extremely hard work on the project. Thank you.